Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change oil in a Toyota Corolla. First, gather your supplies: new engine oil, an oil filter, a drain plug gasket, a wrench, and an oil filter wrench. Park your Corolla on a level surface and let the engine cool down for about 15 minutes. This prevents burns and allows the oil to settle. Now, let's get ready to access the drain plug. With your car safely elevated, position the drain pan under the oil drain plug. Using your wrench, carefully loosen and remove the plug. Be ready for the oil to flow out quickly. Let it drain completely, which usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. This ensures all the old, dirty oil is removed before adding fresh lubricant. Once the old oil has drained, remove the old oil filter. Apply a thin film of new oil to the gasket of your new filter, then hand tighten it onto the engine. Replace the drain plug with a new gasket and tighten it securely. Now, carefully pour the recommended amount of new engine oil into the fill cap opening. For most Corollas, this is around 4½ quarts. After adding the new oil, start your engine and let it run for about 1 minute. This circulates the fresh oil. Turn off the engine and wait a few minutes for the oil to settle. Now, check the oil level using the dipstick. It should be between the min and max marks. Finally, remember to properly dispose of your used oil at a local recycling center.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.